Alright, so after my last unboxing video of these Depo IS250 headlights that were the replicas with the DRL strip at the bottom here, I had a lot of comments on Club Lexus on what the output of the halogens and with the HID bulb in them would look like. So what I did was I originally tried to put my power supply to this harness to the wires, but it kept tripping my harness. I don't know if there's anything that's sharing some of the wires that might be shorting out that's tripping it. So I ended up putting making my own harness. I had some pigtails for a H11 to 9006 laying around, so I'll show you a little close-up of that. So if you look at this, I just stick one of my pigtails. I'm actually using that, this pigtail for my fog lights on my bumper conversion that I got coming up, and I just connected it, and it's connected to my power supply power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power these up and kind of show you the output. I'm going to aim it out towards my cars out here, and you'll see it. Plug it in, and the lights are on. Halogen, so they're pretty quick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the camera out here, kind of aim it out at my cars out in the end of the driveway. So one of the things I saw right off the bat was the cutoff on these. With the halogen bulb, you can see it's got a pretty nice sharp cutoff. It's I think this is what the DOT cutoff. My Morimoto is on my Sienna there. I've got a Morimoto D or a D2S. Well, it's not the D, it's the TRL replicas. They've got a similar step like that, but looks like hot spots in the middle. The width is not all that great. So you can see outside of right in the center, there's not much width on these. And that's probably expected from that side mount bulb on these headlights. But as far as the cutoff looks really nice. The lost power. So anyways, power supply died. I gotta let it. But the output on the ground didn't look all that great. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna swap in the H11 bulbs I've got. So what I have here, I've got a brand new H11 bulb from Xenon Depo. I had this laying around from my Sienna back when I had those on there before I did my retrofit. And then I've got a Morimoto XB ballast all plugged up and wired. I'm gonna take the halogen bulb out of here, twist on, pull it out, got that out, just unplug that from there. I'm just gonna twist these babies in. Just gotta line up all the white pegs out of 3. So this is I think H11s come in H11A and H11B. It just depends on, the A has the return wire on the top and the B has it on the bottom. Most Japanese cars use the B type with the wire on the bottom. If you get the wrong H11, you're gonna have a shadow right in the middle of your output. I'm gonna put this in here. Gotta turn it so it locks so I don't get that shadow. Everything's there. I'm gonna plug my power into the Morimoto ballast. Plug make sure my wire is not shorting anywhere. Plug it back in. So power came back on. We'll let the HIDs warm up for a second. Takes a couple minutes to warm up. So I'll just kind of prop this up so I can get some steady shots on the output shots. So far, what I'm I'm looking at this for the first time, so cutoff still looks good even with the HID bulb in there. So I'll bring the camera over here. We'll go look at, these bulbs are, I think they're 5500K or 5000K. I didn't want to go too ricey on that when I had them on the Sienna. There, it was a nice white output on the ground, and coming out of the headlight, it matched my Morimoto LED fog lights pretty good when it was on the Sienna. So what I have right now, we got it aimed so you can see that cutoff's real nice, considering it's not a true HID projector. Yeah, the color's a little bit off. I don't know if you guys can tell. You can see the hot spot right in the middle, and that's going to create a lot of foreground when it's on the ground. But you can see off to the right there, it just kind of abruptly cuts off, and it's not much hot spot after that. But the color looks kind of weird too. So we got, and then decent cutoff, not the greatest, not a true HID cutoff on like the Morimotos or some of these tuned projectors that we get on the market. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let it shine there. I'll bring it out here. Let's see if we can see the color of the actual cutoff line from far away. So it's in there. It's hard to get that color, but it's decent right at the cutoff line. So I have it. I'll try to shine. Let me turn off the light in my garage. We'll see better. So you can see the output on the ground. Not that smooth. Yes, spotty. But as far as the cutoff looks really nice. Down, distance looks really good on these. The one thing you will lose if you're coming from HIDs though, these aren't by xenon, so you're not gonna have by xenon HIDs. When your high beams are just gonna be the halogen high beams. But anyway, so that's what the output looks like on these 2011 to 2014 Depo brand replica headlights for halogen, using an H11 B HID bulb, and then that's using Morimoto ballast, and then Xenon Depo H11 bulb, which they're pretty good quality. I was happy with them when I used them for a little while on my Sienna until I did my retrofit. But anyways, any comments, just leave them at the bottom of the video. And I also have the link to where you can get these headlights on eBay. So if you like them, just click on that link. Thanks.